What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today because, as you can see, we're going to be doing a technical analysis with Dogecoin. So yeah, we're going to go over this today. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Please hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section because I have lots of stuff to go over, and I definitely want to know what you guys want me to go over next. So without further ado, let's get going with this Dogecoin video. And also, don't forget to just check out the links in the description. Sign up for Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. You can get free stocks there. Take that money straight, put it straight into Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, whatever you want to do. So yeah, definitely do that. And let's get straight to it. So the first thing I want to go over with Dogecoin here is the technical analysis. So we were going up here on this little uptrend, but we kind of broke out. But it kind of seems like it's trying to get back into that little uptrend there, but it's kind of being rejected with a little bit of resistance there. But we may actually get back into this uptrend and attempt to break this 2450 area right here. So hopefully we can do that inside the near future with Dogecoin. But we're going to go over some more technicals here with Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin must break 21 cents for Doge to enter a new bull rally. That's what they're saying. We must break 21 cents. So anyways, Dogecoin price has broken through some important supportive factors. So buyers will need to wait for a solid entry point. And that solid entry point they're saying would be 21 cents. So then we can build momentum. Yeah, 21 cents is lower than what we're at now. We're at 23.83. But they're saying 21 cents because when we hit 21 cents, that will give the buyers a more of an incentive to actually invest into Dogecoin. It'll actually push them to want to actually buy Dogecoin. So that's what they're pretty much saying there with that. Now let's keep going over here. So buyers will need to wait for a solid entry point, expect price action to be capped at 26 cents, and instead look for a retest of 21 cents before price action in Doge starts to recover. So they're saying we should just might as well retest that 21 cent support. I mean, we might as well go down there and retest that and then see where we can go from there. So Dogecoin has not been in a sweet spot for buyers and investors since mid-August after a failed attempt from buyers to close above 35 cents. So price action in Doge has been trading downwards in favor of the sellers. So sellers are eyeing for another push to the downside with the second test of 21 cents. So they're trying to retest that 21 cent support. Yeah, as you can see, everything else is kind of, fluctuating back and forth, up and down, Bitcoin at $47,000. But anyways, we got Dogecoin down here only down 2.83% in the last 7 days. So it's not really that bad, but it has been very stagnant. Dogecoin has been very stagnant in the last 7 days. So also down 1.55% in the last 24 hours. Like I said, we are pretty stagnant here in Dogecoin. So I really wouldn't be that worried about it because we're not, I don't even see Dogecoin below 20 cents to be honest. But anyways, let's keep going over this not this financial advice. This is not financial advice. None of this financial advice. Let's keep going over this technical analysis. So Dogecoin price faces on critical resistance barrier. So Dogecoin price is getting more and more technical indicators in the bearish corner, building a case for another push to the downside. So that's why I was saying this is another case that is pushing us to the downside. You can see the technical barriers. Look, like as soon as we hit this part of the trend line, we just started to go down below it, and now we can't even get above the trend line. So right now, we might as well just trend down to 21 cents so we can build momentum and bring in some buyers and incentivize them to actually purchase Dogecoin. So that would be good for us to actually reach 21 cents. So a lot of people would say that that's bad, but I would say it's good. So yeah, as you can see, Dogecoin price is getting more technical indicators for the downside. Last week was a failed attack from buyers on the red descending trend line, caused buyers to get flushed out of the longs, with sellers pushing Doge price action 30% lower. So bears ran the stops from buyers who placed their stops below the 50-day, the 55-day, and 200-day simple moving average SMA. That made price action dip quickly towards 21 cents. So in the meantime, buyers attempted to stabilize price action in Doge, but a bull trap is starting to form. So Doge does not. They said Doge do not look. I don't know. Bulls do not look able to push price action above 26 cents and the 55-day SMA. So just below is adding cap on the price action. So thus limiting any upside potential. That's why they're saying we need to go back down to 21 cents so we can retest that because we really have no upside potential right now. But once we retest that support, is going to incentivize these buyers to actually put their money in here. So hopefully this can happen soon. Now you can see all this that they're doing here, the descending triangle that we're actually on. And then I already have that drilled out a little bit here. So yes, we are on a little descending triangle. But anyways, let's keep pushing here with Doge. Dogecoin has a lot of potential here, but let's keep pushing with it. So the next thing here, expect price action and Doge to fade and start trading down towards about 21 cents. In terms of strength, that level looks quite bleak, as they say. The monthly S1 support at 19 cents might help a little bit, but the ultimate price target for sellers will be 14 cents. That level was the low from mid-April, and except for a dip in June, price action has not been around these lows in the past few months. So, should buyers avoid the bull trap and break above 26 cents, the volume will be added to the charge higher. So yet the red ascending triangle line at the top side will limit any further profits unless a favorable tailwind can act as a catalyst for a boost in conviction and sentiment next week. So pretty much the only potential we have to actually get into a bull market is either A, we go down to 21 cents and incentivize those buyers to buy in and build up some momentum at our 21-cent support line, or B, we actually and the 21-cent support line also is down here. So, or the next one will be B. B will be pretty much not the 21 cents that we're actually going to get to, but B would be some major catalyst, like maybe Elon Musk talking about it, maybe someone big talking about it, Mark Cuban, maybe some big news coming out about Dogecoin, something big that just sends Dogecoin up to the moon. So yeah, anything like that could happen. So hopefully something like that does happen, because Dogecoin has been very stagnant in the last 7 days. So as you can see, we got $31.2 billion, still rank 9 here. So as long as we don't go down to rank 10, that will be good. As long as we don't hit rank 10. We definitely need to continue to rise, though, because we used to be above Cardano, and now Cardano's above us, and that cannot happen like that. So we definitely gotta rise here inside Dogecoin. We also used to be above Solana, XRP, all that. We definitely need to continue to rise. But anyways, let's go over what Benziga said about AMC. But anyways, Dogecoin gets shunned by AMC, but shows strength in consolidation. Like I was saying, this is a consolidation period. Like if you look at this, this is definitely very good consolidation. I mean, it is a descending triangle, yes, but that's exactly what consolidation is. Like it is a descending triangle or ascending triangle, either one, descending or ascending. So if we descend it down to 21 cents, that's going to build momentum to actually be able to pass our resistance. So that's exactly what's going to be happening in the future. So anyways, let's go over this. So Dogecoin was not the pick of the litter when AMC Holdings CEO Adam Aron took to Twitter and announced all these other things, everything except Dogecoin pretty much. He said Ethereum, he said Litecoin, he said Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, things that people do not use to purchase things. He let those be used to purchase things on his thing. But Dogecoin is actually used to purchase things because, as you know, Dogecoin is a currency. People use Dogecoin as a currency. People use Bitcoin and Ethereum as a store of value. They don't use those as currencies. So that is actually a big, statement right there. But anyways, over here you can see Dogecoin fell in sympathy with Bitcoin and a swath of other cryptocurrencies because the whole El Salvador thing, people sold on that news, and it's consolidation. That's what Dogecoin is in now. So Dogecoin has settled into a pennant, and I don't know why that just now happened here, but anyways, it just now messed up my whole reading pattern right here. So in its consolidation, as you see what keeps on happening, you guys see this every time I try the videos, it just pops up. Whatever this ad is, screw this ad. I'm gonna click pause. Anyways, in its consolidation, Dogecoin has settled into a pennant pattern on the daily chart, making a series of lower highs and higher lows as the price range tightens. Dogecoin will reach the apex of the pennant on Sunday, and if the pattern is recognized, both bulls and bears should watch for it to increase volume and confirmation. This is really starting to build up. Dogecoin is really starting to build up some momentum here. So Dogecoin's moving average divergence. Wow, that is a tongue twister. MACD is curling slightly upwards towards the upper signal. When MACD crosses above the signal line, it is a buy signal for technical traders because it indicates price movement in its strengthening. So the crypto is trading slightly below the 8-day exponential moving average and below the 21-day EMA and the 8-day EMA trending line for the 21-day. So both of which are bearish indicators. Dogecoin is also trading slightly below the 200-day SMA like we went over in the last thing. So this indicates overall sentiment is bullish. So they're saying that this is a bullish sign for the SMA. And that's why I was saying, as soon as we hit that 21-cent support line, that's going to build up a lot of momentum and it's going to help us go up. Now, on Saturday, Dogecoin attempted to break up over the 200-day SMA but failed and wicked from the level. So, however, if the crypto breaks up bullishly from the pennant, it will be able to easily regain both the 8-day EMA and 200-day SMA. So yeah, bulls want to see big bullish volume come in and break Dogecoin up from the pennant above the moving averages. So Dogecoin has price history resistance at the 27-cent mark and psychological resistance at the 30-cent mark. So bears want to see big bearish volume Dogecoin drops. So that's what they want to see. They want to see Dogecoin drop below 23 cents or 16 cents. That's what the bears want. Now, I'll tell you what I want. I definitely want Dogecoin to drop down to 21 cents. So then the bulls can look at this as a good buying opportunity. Because when we go down to 21 cents, like I said, that's a really good buying opportunity. And this is all I got to say to the AMC thing. This Dogecoin does not care about AMC no more. Like AMC just now destroyed its whole it just destroyed its whole collaboration with the Dogecoin community. They're just not going to have Dogecoin supporters anymore. So AMC is now out the window. And behind the scenes, this is everything that's going on with Dogecoin behind the scenes. Shout out to the fellow YouTuber Crypto Daily Trade Singles. So if you want to see some of his videos, he does Dogecoin videos, Crypto Daily Trade Signals. You can definitely check that out. But he posted this on Twitter. As you can see here, behind the scenes, Dogecoin. So some developments are going up right now in Dogecoin. So developers are working on upgrades to make Dogecoin faster and cheaper to use. And Doge Foundation is adding structure and helping to pave the path for the future of Dogecoin. And on top of this, we have this Ethereum Doge bridge being developed. And then we have SpaceX, which is preparing to put a literal Dogecoin on the moon. They already confirmed that. And then we have over here, more new Dogecoin nodes are coming online, 1.14.4. And then we have much wow for Dogecoins, more memes. Dogecoin memes are at an all-time high right now. Not an all-time high, but they are starting to flow in on Twitter, because if you go and look on Twitter, you can see thousands of Dogecoin memes posted within the last hour. And then over here, brands are looking for ways to support and incorporate Doge into their product and marketing campaigns. And then over here, retailers are working on solutions to accept Dogecoin. So big Dogecoin stuff is going on here. And like I said, come over here and then type inside Dogecoin, and you'll see for the last hour, lots of people are talking about Dogecoin. 200 tweets in the last hour for Dogecoin. So yeah, Doge is definitely getting a lot of tweets here. So shout out to the whole Doge fam out there. Now, let's go over here. More stuff for Dogecoin. So Amazon fell $110 to $11 before going to $3,000. And also, Bitcoin dropped from 20,000 to under 4,000 before going to 60,000. Tesla went from $300 to $180 before it went to 2,000. And then, they did their whole reverse split. And then, anyways, the trick is just picking the right investment. Or the trick is not picking the right investment, it's holding them. So, yeah, Dogecoin, as you know, went from 75 cents all the way down to 14 cents. So, that's a big drop right there. Now we're just waiting to, continue to rise. So, I definitely believe that we're going to continue to rise here with Dogecoin. Anyways, let's continue to move on with this. And now our next thing here. So look at this. We have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, everything else boring, not a dog. Nobody wants to spend these. And then we have Dogecoin, fast with low fees. It has a dog for its mascot, and then actually used to buy stuff. And that's a big statement right there. Doge is actually used to buy things because it's more of a currency. It's cheaper than everything. And, we have a set supply that comes into circulation every year, 5 billion Doge. The US dollar is unlimited, limited US dollars per year. So that's a big fact about Dogecoin. Anyways, yeah, Doge has an infinite supply, and Dogecoin has a fixed yearly coin issuance. It's not infinite supply at all. It's a fixed yearly coin issuance of 5 billion Doge per year. The US dollar has an infinite supply. So infinite US dollars can be put into circulation, like how we've seen already. They're putting infinite dollars into circulation right now, and they're deflating the currency. But Dogecoin, no. Now, the next thing, Vlad Tenev, he just now posted this to Twitter, and he is the CEO of Robinhood. So, anyway, CEO and co-founder of Robinhood, as you can see, much cost averaging. Wow, that is Dogecoin terminology right there. That is really Dogecoin terminology. So he's big on Dogecoin. As you can see, he's just promoting his recurring crypto investments. So shout out to that. That's really big for crypto, really big for Dogecoin, because the most thing that's bought on Robinhood is actually Dogecoin. So shout out to that. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, if you guys do like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. So yeah, check out the links in the description, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.